parking light worked, or the running gear works, but it was the brake light on the left-hand side here, the outer one, that was not lighting up. So we're going to go ahead and replace that. And I'm kind of curious what you think. You know, if you take it down to some other shop, like how much do you think they would charge to go ahead and replace just a simple little bulb? Let's go through the steps. I'm going to go ahead and open the lift gate and use a 10mm socket to go ahead and release it here with the two things. There's a couple of tabs in place, so when you pull it out, you just kind of pull straight back and it pops out. The bulbs just twist out counterclockwise. Really simple there. And then what you do is go ahead and get the new one to replace it. Hopefully your hands are clean, or sometimes people like to use gloves, but pop the bulb out, pop the new bulb in, and then go ahead and clockwise twist them back into place. I'm going to go ahead and push the housing back into its spot, reattach the screws, and kind of tighten it down nice and snug. You don't want to break anything since it's made of plastic. Go ahead and do a final check. I was doing this by myself, so turn on the lights so the parking lights work, push the brake light turns on. Yes, success. All right, success. So that was perhaps like 5 minutes worth of time. And yeah, here's the busted one with the filament for the brake that doesn't work. And there's the new one. So we're going to go ahead and replace this new one on the other side also, because we don't know how long it's going to last. And then the brightness should be similar. And lastly, again, I'm curious what you think a shop might charge, or a dealership, to go ahead and replace the bulbs. Not a difficult task, but yeah, certainly I'm guessing it's more than the $12 and the 10 minutes of time it took me to go ahead and do this on my own.